Next, we will place the sensors. Shipshape will tell you where the optimal location is for these different types of sensors. In the case of the power sensor, you want to plug whichever monitored appliance into the power sensor, which plugs into the wall. So here are the instructions. It's the outlet, then the sensor, and then the appliance. Shipshape will ask you to take some notes and also to add a picture. Next, we'll do the same with the water sensor. So in this case, the water sensor has a metal prong that, if it comes into contact with water, will trigger the alert for the homeowner. So you want to make sure that this metal prong is anywhere that water is likely to accumulate in the case that the sump pump overflows or there may be standing water somewhere in the basement or the crawl space. And again, we'll ask for a picture and a description just so we know where this sensor is in case we need to move it or in case somebody needs to come and service it at a future date. So we'll mark this as placed as well, and then we'll hit finish.